If you want to download more backgrounds or watch faces on your Galaxy Fit 3, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, on your smartphone, just open the Galaxy Wearable app, and as you can see, our Galaxy Fit 3 is connected to our smartphone. Now on this screen, you will find the option of Watch Faces. Just tap on it, and from here you will be able to download more watch faces to your Galaxy Fit 3. Just select the watch face which you like. For an example, I will select this one. Now just select Add. Then wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to download the watch face on your Galaxy Fit 3. Now to download more watch faces, just make sure that your smartphone is connected to the internet. And as you can see, this is how you can download more watch faces on your Galaxy Fit 3. Just like that. And this is how you can download more backgrounds on the Galaxy Fit 3. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.